Okay, now for Excel, we dey talk about Excel. This our environment here, when you see line, they will call am cells. And Excel dey work with what? Rows and column, rows and column. And every cell, you fit reference every cell. Okay, for example, just watch me. I get two here, I get four there, I get five here. Now I fit come here now, write total, write total. Then inside this total, I'll perform my calculation. This my calculation now. I go reference the cell. For Excel, they get mathematical formula. You fit use the drag and drop method. If you come here, you see formula, and this formula, you fit use am calculate anything in mathematics. And in financial organization, you fit use am take check for what? The sum, the average, the count, the max, the minimum. Okay, now let me talk about sum. Sum na our regular mathematics. Na our regular mathematics. Na e dey deal on two, addition of two. Now, since we don get total here, and we want calculate these two data here. Now we reference this here, we use equal to. Now for to perform some mathematical expression, you use equal to start am, so that you go know say you wan perform some calculations, you wan perform some function. Now you fit select the cell, come here, write wetin you wan write, or you fit write am for inside the box. You dey understand me? You dey understand wetin I dey talk?
Yes, totally. I
Okay, good.
understand. I understand the calculation part. Yes.
Okay, good. Now I wan reference the cell. Now I go reference the cell using equal to. I'll select the particular cell, one. Then I fit use normal plus sign, to also add this other cell. Now when I press it now, I don perform what? Referencing,
Yes.
cell referencing. So now this cell referencing, easily you fit perform what? The calculation. Now the total now na 9, right? Na 9.
Mm.
Okay, good. We don understand how we fit take reference here, how we fit take calculate for cell. Now we get table now. So we wan use a small particular table, and
Mm-hmm.
now I highlight the range I wan use.
Mm-hmm.
You see, I don highlight the range. Now I go come here, I go come here, I will say insert table. You see table,
Okay.
I will click am. The range make I highlighted, will be
Mm.
inserted, will be organized as a table like this. Now did you see say e don organize like this? Say e don
Okay.
become table.
Mm.
E don become table.
Mm.
Okay. Now see, I dey make mistake. See where I dey make mistake. I suppose to first what? Create the range and get the table. So see where I make mistake. I can't go what? Highlight the range. I first go right before I highlight. Now I need to what? Create table before I write. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to arrange something for table, you're supposed to create the table first.
You first, yes, I need to create the table so that I go fit filter them. We get wetin we dey call filter. So
Okay.
make I delete everything now. Now
Okay.
see wetin I suppose to do. I dey come, I copy this thing. Sorry, copy. Okay, I wan delete am now. Now see wetin I suppose to do. I suppose to arrange the range me I want. Then come here, I insert what? Table. I don insert table. Then I insert everything like this. I start to dey type. There's still other way make you fit still take do am. They still get other way when you fit what take create table. Now let's
Now
see
the
this.
table where you dey talk be this one.
Yes, na the table. Oh.
No, the wetin I dey talk now. Check that. Check your WhatsApp. That one
E
what I
no
tell you.
get.
The wetin? Eh?
I dey come. I will come to that one.
Na that
That
one now I
one
dey think
get
say be okay.
that one get border. E dey get. E get border. E
Okay.
get all those things. I go show you two type of table. You dey understand?
Okay.
Make take come across because most especially that table make you dey work on.
Mm.
Make you show me.
Mm.
E no too dey organized normally as if you wan perform some functions. I dey try to differentiate that table and this one
Okay.
for you
Okay. No problem. Go ahead.
because that one now you no fit am.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now make I write wetin I write before name
No.
and let's say
Okay.
department. I dey come department and class. Okay, let's say goose rate
You
quantity.
need. You don't need to increase that column for that department.
Yes, if I wan increase am, I'll just do what?
Yes.
Double tap here.
Yes.
E go arrange by
Uh-huh.
itself.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Now we don get rate quantity, then amount. So I dey okay. Now amount. Now let's see something. Come to insert and okay. Now that your table, na like this e take come. See wetin happen. Dey come here. You dey watch me?
Where?
See am. You see that
Go back.
bottom
Uh.
border. Watch my icon, bottom border.
Uh.
You click
Yes.
am, you say outline, outline. Look at, you see how e take show outline?
Okay.
Den see wetin dey still do. Dey still what? Perform what? Outline, outline border. You understand?
Okay.
Na you see am, you highlight
Okay.
again, you create border. Na just border dey create.
Okay.
What
No be seen at table. They just dey create border to separate everything.
to separate everything. You understand?
Mm.
So the thing be say that one now no be normal table, but to you if you see am na normal table, right? Na normal
Mm.
table for you, but na the way they take arrange am. But normally for organization, every organization make dey use Excel, they dey prefer the normal table. You understand? The normal
Okay.
table. And the normal table go fit allow you perform filter. Wetin we dey talk about when I dey talk about filter for example, you get list of data, like list of data here like this now. Okay, make I fill this data or make I import, may I just fill am with something. Let's say Michael uh Paul, James, let's say James, Gift, Joy, and Favor. Okay, may I use this one and let's say age 23, 24, 25, let's say 25, 10, let's say 18. Okay, let's say 9, 17. Now let's say department. Let's say HRO, uh, tech department, account department, uh, customer care, customer care, uh, customer
But
care.
but meanwhile, use borderline to separate all these things now. That borderline where you put.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay, okay. So
So this borderline icon, it should say dey for that my own SL.
e dey all Excel.
It did there.
Yes. How wish you dey work with? How wish you fit share your screen? I will show
I
you. E
know
dey all.
I know they carry my laptop come now. But
Okay, no problem.
I shall know say I go find am tomorrow.
E dey there. So now look am. E don dey organized like wetin you want now, right?
Okay, yeah.
So now we don get this kind borderline now, huh?
Okay.
And now we get customer care, HRO. Let's say CEO. Let's say CEO, and uh, let's say let's say gate man. Okay, gate man or gatekeeper. Now goose. Okay, now goose when they buy. Goods when they buy. Let's say for HRO. Okay, okay. Let's say goods when they buy. Goods. Okay, let's say which type of good did they sell? Okay, let's say
Mm,
food store.
trade me.
Okay,
Okay, just put anything.
okay. Let me just put something like food stop. You know, say the
Okay.
company they deal on. Let's say the company they deal on spaghetti like Dangote. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Dangote. Let's say like that. Okay, let's say salt, and salt at the rate of what? 100 and 500. Now, and how many quantity? Let's say two quantity. Let's say three quantity, four quantity, and like that. So now let's say salt, spaghetti. Okay. Let's say macaroni. Okay. Let's say sugar. Um, let's say what's the other thing again? So sugar. Bag of rice. Let's say rice, and okay, let's say Indomie. Okay, maybe the company now they deal on all these food item I mentioned now. Okay, now this quantity and their amount. Let's say let me give them random amounts. Okay, okay, this rate. Let me just give them same rate now. Now you see how I feel everything with same thing.
Mm. Yes.
You watch the part of when I feel everything.
Yeah, that one, I fit do that one.
Okay,
Now
did they call
to
that one auto feel?
You
or
go
to
highlight. You go highlight to drag. Oh, sorry. You go highlight that thing. Drag and down.
yes. Now look am now. In I no go fit filter dem. If I wan look for James, I no go fit get only James. If with dis table wey you dey use, I no go
Mm.
fit what get James. I no go fit filter am. Okay. If you no be professional or you no get the idea, you no go fit know how you go fit filter am.
Filter
Now
am to like.
I wan get just dis particular, I wan know wetin Michael get, or wetin Michael get. I wan search. For example, dis na large data set, um e reach 1000. Now I wan check for Michael and I wan check for wetin im buy and the quantity. I no go fit filter am come out when
Mm.
e stand on its own. Okay, now when I highlight dis one now, I come insert what table, come insert table. Now if you look am now,
Mm.
um
Yes.
I fit I fit sort, I fit filter, I fit sort. Now I wan select what? Just Michael, just Michael. So I no want the other, I no want the others. Na just Michael I want. So you see, I don get what? Michael. You don understand wetin I mean?
Yes.
But if I wan go back, clear the filter, once I click here, I go fit what? Clear the filter. I fit clear filter, I will get my data back. But your normal table, you no go fit do am like dat, e just dey what? Static.
Okay.
You dey see the difference.
Yes.
For organization now, when you dey work, you need am. You need to get
Mm.
the knowledge of dat, no be just to create the table.
Okay.
Okay, for large data sets, na you dey use those filter, those sorting. Maybe okay, now they wan pay staff and you na the HRO, and they say that they wan give by what? By their range of age, from what? Maybe from 30. You understand me? From 30 or from 25, and age 25, na they dey pay dem small salary. Now they wan
Mm.
increase their salary. They wan know how many um pipu wey dey dat age range, if dey go fit pay. So now dey dey call dey dey like the HRO now go fit do something like what? Sorting. E go sort, look my icon, e go sort to get the range wey e wan get. Maybe the range of age 40 down, age 25 down. So look wetin I wan do. You see dis icon filter, sort and filter.
I dey find your icon.
Okay, see, watch me oh, watch my icon, e dey here, e
Okay.
dey here.
Okay. You know, say I zoom before. I know large am because I want to see am properly. Okay. I don't see the corner wey dey.
Okay, now you fit what? Sort from A to Z normally, but now we get wetin we dey call custom sort. Now dis custom sort, you go highlight what? The data. You go highlight the range of data. Let's say the range of data, you use your custom sort. You select the let's say the age. Let's say age. You select from what? Largest to the smallest. Now from the largest to the smallest, you fit see the um the values, or the people wey get the smallest. You fit see the people wey get the smallest numbers. You see say when I sort it, e start from what? The smallest to the
Mm.
largest. You dey
Mm.
get? Now na still the same way
You highlight all of them first.
I highlight the range wey I
Mm.
wan sort.
For the
Look am.
amount too.
Yeah, for the amount. I see from the smallest to the highest. You understand?
Okay.
So because say I don first perform, now Look this thing very well. I wan clear this sorting make I apply here. I wan clear am comot. Okay, I wan clear am. Okay, I fit apply sorting for here, so I wan remove am. So I wan remove the sorting. Okay, good. I don remove am. Now you go come here, you press your word sorting to custom.
Okay.
Dat custom, you select the particulars column, the particular column age. Now you sort from where from smallest to highest. When you sort from smallest to highest, you press OK. Everything will be sorted. Na so dey take dey sort am. Now
But now age you click now, but you go there, you there for the icon, you put your, you go there highlight amount.
the age, dat age, I first sort
Mm,
am, I come remove am. You fit sort just different different column. You understand?
okay.
Na because say I sort dis first one, I need to remove am make e no affect dis one.
Okay. Now I get what you dey talk. Oh. So you make sure say the thing start from the smallest now. You turn all the
Yes,
table to
yes.
rearrange, to arrange properly for you to fit. In short, you organize
Access,
them
yes.
so that it go easy for you to understand the range. Maybe
The
because if they
data,
scattered,
yes,
because e dey scattered, you go see 25, 35, 35 for middle, you go see two
yes,
for beginning, you go see the other one.
yes,
So you can't go there, go rearrange am, make e dey the small one dey up, come down to the big one.
yes,
Okay, I get
yes.
you
So dat
now.
make you for fit now make you for fit know the people wey dey go fit what give the maybe na
For
promotion.
top for like, from
Yes,
for instance they wan give na the youngest ones, you come see say okay, from
yes.
17 to 25 na, okay, there be like 4 people.
Poor people, yes.
E go dey easy for you
Den
to
you fit
calculate.
to calculate. Den you fit even use normal your normal calculation. You fit come here now, look for
Mm.
range. Okay, let's see dis. For example, you fit just come here like dis. You don highlight dat particular. Wait,
Mhm.
you just use count. Let's say count. Let's say count. Okay, count, count. How dey come? Count. Okay, now count. Now I wan count every value from here. You don see as I highlight am. Once I press
Yes.
OK, now I go say na 4 people dey dat range. You understand?
Yes.
Den you fit give condition. That's why as I dey explain now, you fit no understand. But the thing be say we no start from the scratch. I just go straight to table.
No,
I no
talk
know
dey
if
talk
you
dey talk dey talk, I understand what you dey talk.
okay. Now you fit get use code to get range. Okay, now we get wetin we dey call if statement.
Mhm.
If statement be say e dey useful to search for conditions, for criteria. If anything meet dat criteria, e go give you results. You
Mm.
understand? Now we go use if statement to take get how many persons dey from the range of what 17 to 23. You dey get?
Mm.
Now dem dey call am if statement. We go say if what our logic statement each wait make I start am for now. I go use if dis range is equal to or greater than
How are you?
17.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening.
If dis range is greater or equal to
How are you?
17,
Okay. Well, in here. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Now I say if this range is greater or equal to this number, make e print. E go print the number for us. Okay.
Hmm.
So now we go use wetin we dey call if statement. Like say they don come back for church.
They don't come back, oh. But
Okay.
just continue, continue.
Okay. Now make I start. Make I just start. So
Mm.
we go use this condition like
Hmm?
this.
I just said before.
Okay. Just dey watch me. May I just type am
Ipele.
out, then I'll explain.
Kale. Okay.
Okay.
Who's that?
I'm precious. Cinderella. Okay. What are we
Your
doing?
friend just come here. Good afternoon. Your friend just come up for here and I know to see.
Who?
Mommy, Joshua, Joe wife. You know, say, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
No, you know, say this if statement, this if something wey you dey do so,
Yes.
it dey take so many confusing formula wey say I don't even know.
Okay.
I swear
Okay.
because
Okay.
mm, because I know start the class from beginning.
Okay.
Now only the calculation part
Yes.
of that process, that equals to calculation part, plus minus divide and all I sabi. So all those brackets where you dey open and
Okay.
all those things where you dey put, I don't understand.
Okay. That's why. Well, okay. Might just teach you the basics. Maybe
The basics.
next yes. Next Sunday we'll continue.
Because right now,
Okay.
safe,
Now.
I'll soon come out.
Okay. Now. Where I want start now. You don't understand the table
Wait,
part,
wait.
right?
I don't understand the table part. Eh?
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
if you go up for each table, you know, say this
Okay.
particular table now, we know title the table.
This one.
Yes, like we know I headline the table, what table it's for, what's this particular table for, and all these things.
Okay. You just need to just write. Just insert here now. You just write commodity table. They get.
You go click now insert, you go click.
Na normal cell you
O-
take dey impute.
Okay, now normal type you go call expand am or color am or
You
something.
come format am, yes, you come
Okay,
format am now.
okay, I understand that part. But if you bring this table down, if you bring this particular table down, you fit move am down like this.
Like dis, you fit
Yes,
copy and paste, you cut am comot. You dey get, you cut,
yes.
you drag am down,
Uh-huh.
paste, you don comot
Okay.
am now.
Okay, now okay,
You
because I
understand?
now those ones I need to learn to come put logo for up there. I don't sabi am. I think the major part of the work now na im be this one. How to dey record these things, and the other one are the calculation part, which of course na plus and minus. So like this
Yes.
now, so na plus and minus like this now, these numbers,
Okay,
you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Just imagine say that table, eh?
Yes.
we need to add some, we need to add some and minus some.
You need to add or
For instance,
minus.
say, yeah, we need to add to some, all these people and minus some.
Okay. Now just watch me. Watch me. Oh.
Mm,
Now e get wetin we dey call micro VB. Okay. Micro
okay.
VB na for you to automate that table easily. You go just dey insert, dey input, e go just dey easy for you. You look dis thing, you see dis data form, employee data form, you don see am?
Okay.
Na just na me create am. I
Yeah.
create am be sey make e dey optimize. Like I no go dey follow dat stress dey insert or input. I go just come here, input the
You go,
detail and e go
okay,
come
you go
go
fit
show
create
for,
am, you fit create am save for your system.
yes, e go come go show for the database. You
Okay,
understand?
now, okay, like this now. Okay, like this now. For instance, say I create that table, that first table wey we dey work on
Yes,
just now. I create am, say I wan
yes,
save am because I go use am anytime again, the month, the next day.
yes.
This table now,
You
how I fit take save am
yeah.
so that anytime I wan use am, instead of to call a draw new table or new plan, I'll just pick am, use am
Okay,
again.
now
And how,
now
for instance, and how I fit take delete all the data wey dey inside at once.
at once. If you wan delete at once, watch me. You highlight the particular range you want. You press delete. Delete dey your laptop. You press
Okay,
delete. You understand? But most
okay,
times if you dey delete, you make sure say you get duplicate of that document. You fit need
okay,
am. You fit need am some
okay.
other time. E fit dey important for you. So you fit what, just save am as temporary copy and
Save am for where now? For where you fit save am for here?
now look look wetin I dey do.
File, file.
Yes,
Okay,
once you click on file, you see dis dialog box go push out.
okay,
As e push out, you come what, save as. But for no be all Microsoft Word go fit show like dis. You dey understand? No be all
mm-hmm,
Microsoft. The outdated Microsoft Word no go show like dis.
mm-hmm. But
You
you go
know
see save
every
as
you
PDF.
go yeah, you go see save as. Now you once you wan save, you put am for what, desktop, you browse, you select browser, you choose what, desktop. You fit browse, you fit select desktop, but normally for other old version e go come out as browse. You
Okay,
understand?
I fit save am for browse.
Yeah, you come as browse, then you select any location you wan save am. Now look dis area, na for here you fit say save am to any format you want. Now you see PDF, you don see
Mm.
PDF,
Where
you
you click for
see
that one first? Where you click for that one?
now save as type.
Okay.
Save as type. Now you once you select am, you see PDF, you fit see. But normally na if you don go advance, na you fit know everything, but the one wey you fit know na only PDF you fit know, okay, for
Mm.
now. But if na advanced class, you gats know some things here. Dem dey call some CSV file. CSV file. Dat
Mm.
CSV file na CSV format, okay. So the thing be say dis class na just basic we just dey learn.
Mm.
So I would like you say some time to time make you dey go the class, make you just dey learn am always,
Mm.
okay.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
now you say you no know PowerPoint.
Yes.
Now when we dey talk about PowerPoint na presentation software. Presentation software. Presentation software mean say you wan use am take defend something. You
Mm.
understand? You use am take defend something, you wan, na multimedia software, and dat multimedia software you fit use am display anything, you fit use am project, You fit use am for church projecting, anything you wan do. Na just to present, na just to
Mm.
present to your audience. Na e be. So e dey come with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word na full package. Na
Mm.
full package. Dat once you
You get that for here.
yes, I get am. Every system wey get Microsoft Word, make get Excel, get am.
You fit just show me a
Once you
preamble of the PowerPoint.
yeah, I wan open am so. So just watch me. Now you come here, you come to what Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word. Okay. Now look at PowerPoint. You see PowerPoint.
Mm.
Once I click am, you see how e go take display. And like that, e go take display. E dey come up.
You get like here now.
E dey open. If you open, I go show you. E dey open now. Look at e don open. You see?
Mm.
You see am?
Yes.
So na still Excel. E still look like Excel, right? The way e take organize. But now
Mm.
this one na PowerPoint on its own. Na Microsoft Word get am. Na Microsoft Word. They get other multimedia software like this. Now look like this now. You get blank. Hello, you dey hear me? So
I dey hear you.
we get blank like this, blank presentation when you fit what design. Omo, that place dey no clear. When you fit design.
Now these children they don't come here.
So when you
Touchy,
fit
you are
design,
disturbing me.
so when you fit design or you get what template when you fit take present your work. You
Mm.
get template wey you fit take present your work. This one na template make I get for my system here. So now make I show you sample of the template. E wan open so. E wan open so. Okay. E dey download, sorry. Make I open the one wey I don already get. Okay, now look am. Dis na template wey you fit take work do your work. You dey get? Wey you fit take rearrange your work. Okay. Now let me choose something like this.
The thing na wey
Let me
money
see something like
automatic
this.
na go just dey one place later.
Now
That
you
one
fit
go
create
just dey for
something like this.
The class.
So e go dey like this. This one dey download. Now make we create a blank. Now this blank, this na like this e go be. So if you wan dey present your work, you import, you insert picture, you fit insert anything, you fit add more word slide.
So okay,
Now
like this class where you did so. Eh?
yes,
They
yes,
they they they, they fit use PowerPoint.
yes, if you use PowerPoint take present.
Okay.
I fit just see am, I fit just create wetin I wan talk that day for here like
Yeah.
this. I just dey display am. You dey see as I take dey
Oh,
select.
okay. PowerPoint now when you dey get lectures. Now
Yes,
to
you just
you don't arrange everything we want to talk. Now to just
yes,
they display them till the ending of the
yes.
this. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
You understand?
okay.
Na just for presentation, just you wan just
Yes,
present wetin you wan just talk for that day. You understand?
yes.
So most times for any organization, they dey like make their staff get presentation.
That means
They dey get to
that
defend.
yes, that
Yes,
means you fit go Canva, prepare a document, come line am up for your presentation for PowerPoint.
from here. Yes,
You understand? You fit create a document where you want teach or present to people. for Canva.
Yes. Yes.
Install am here. Just dey click on your if na projector you dey use, you just dey click on the remote.
Yes. You just dey click on am.
Okay.
So now mostly for presentation. And mostly for presentation. And this presentation, this presentation, you fit design, you fit transit in the sense that you fit make your this thing look more like they watch TV.
Mm,
You understand? E go dey
mm.
fit fade off. If you just push, you get, you go take slide. You know,
Yes,
e
I
go be like
know.
say
You
na
go to get all those many animation. Yeah.
animation. Yeah, good.
Yes, you go just tear into two, go just splash, all those
Yes.
many display. I understand you.
So na so e be. Na so e be.
Okay,
So
go
which
back
other
to
thing you want?
more. Go back to that Excel. Let's go back to that Excel. For that Excel, now for instance, say you save this table, you want bring and
Yes.
come, you want bring and come a new sheet. How you go take run am? Now to go back to that file, if you don't do the table, you go back to that file.
Okay, you wan carry this table comot enter another
Okay,
sheet.
no, you don't already save am for. Okay, save this one first. Make you import am to
Okay.
the sheet again. Make I see.
Okay. You no need to import am. Na just to click am, e go open.
Okay, after you don save am, you go
Yes,
to
na just to
you
click.
go to where you click that, go open to the Excel.
E go just open there. Yes. Just
Okay, you
watch.
you just work on am.
Yes. Then you fit
Okay,
just dey save. E just like you just dey save, dey save, dey save, dey save. You fit just dey save. Look
okay,
wetin I wan write now. Look wetin I wan write. Let's say
okay,
saved work. Saved work.
okay.
Now, saved work, I save am for where? Desktop. Now
Hmm.
press save. Now, I dey use a version type of micro enable because I get micro VB there. That's why I use micro
So,
enable. So normally you're supposed to use what? Excel format. Excel
to take
format
save am.
now, yes, to take save am.
Why? If you use other format, wetin go happen?
Other formats,
Hmm.
maybe I don't already get automation down. E go dey work like normal, e go still dey work like normal, but e dey advisable so that in case you wan share that work give person, e go fit open am. You understand? You dey hear me?